Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your gut. A healthy gut is crucial for overall well-being, impacting everything from digestion to mood. We'll explore why maintaining a balanced gut microbiome is so important and identify key indicators that your gut might need attention. This journey will help you understand the initial, essential steps to embark on a path toward improved digestive health and vitality, setting a strong foundation for lasting wellness. To reset your gut, focus on nourishing foods. Aim to include fermented options, such as a half cup of kimchi or sauerkraut, in your daily meals to boost beneficial bacteria. Significantly increase your consumption of diverse fiber sources, targeting 25 to 30 grams per day. Simultaneously, minimize processed items, refined sugars, and artificial sweeteners. For a deeper understanding, try an elimination diet for a few weeks to pinpoint any specific foods that might be causing issues. Beyond diet, lifestyle plays a vital role. Ensure you get 7 to 9 hours of restorative sleep every night, as poor sleep can negatively impact gut health. Dedicate at least 15 minutes daily to stress-reducing activities like meditation or gentle yoga. Aim for 30 minutes of moderate physical activity, such as brisk walking, on most days. Additionally, consult with a healthcare professional to determine if specific probiotic or prebiotic supplements could further support your gut reset. Maintaining a healthy gut is a continuous process. Focus on establishing sustainable eating habits that consistently promote a diverse gut microbiome. Pay close attention to how your body reacts to various foods and lifestyle adjustments, making changes as needed. Ensure you drink at least 8 glasses of water throughout the day to support digestive function. Regular checkups with a healthcare provider are also essential for personalized advice and to ensure your long-term gut wellness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.